behind me here, I call this the cedar deck. It's in Fairfield, Ohio. Obviously it's called the cedar deck because of its color, right? It's just regular standard cedar color, very common throughout the tri-state, throughout the Midwest, a cedar colored deck. This deck in particular is unique because it was facing down replacement, right? The deck behind me, borderline at the very minimum floor replacement. Matter of fact, any other deck contractor besides me would have hit them for floor replacement. Okay, every plank up, either new wood or new composite down, you know, just depending on how you look at it. The price of wood is insane right now, so either $23 to $25 a square foot or more, all the way up to almost $40 a square foot, right? My company, Kong Armor, we do something we call deck rescue painting with a thick build, high stretch deck armor. It comes with lifetime warranty, lifetime service, unheard of. They didn't pay anywhere near that per square foot up here to save this deck's floor. We resurfaced it. We resurfaced this deck's floor, the entire deck actually, but the floor was the main area of concern, right? We resurfaced this for a fraction of the cost that it would have been to replace. Let's take a look. So, turned out very beautiful. What you're looking at here are planks that were extremely sun damaged. I'm not going to go up there because this coating system right now is actually wet, but extremely sun damaged planks. There's epoxy repair in there. There's several boards that were, I think a couple, 2-3 boards that were taken out because they were absolutely too far gone. But imagine the oldest looking gray wood that you can imagine, and that's what these look like. Here, I'll insert a picture right here. Kind of see what I'm talking about now? Kind of see what this looked like before, right? So Kong Armor is this industrial grade, thick build, high stretch coating, something that this deck has never seen before. We've come in and encapsulated and locked down all that older wood, and the results are a tough, thick film, tough film technology. This stuff can handle wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, snow, up to hurricane speeds, right? It's got advanced UV blockers in it. Probably the best UV block system for a coating on the planet. So you got damaging UV rays that come down, which is what tore these planks up in the first place. They come down, they hit the Kong Armor system, and they get deflected back up into the atmosphere. It's this dude up here that's causing all of this absurd damage, right? And the Kong Armor system is specifically designed to put up with him, to put up a fight against the sun. Eventually we all lose. Eventually we all lose that battle. Humans, objects, all of us, we eventually lose to the sun. If you don't believe me, look a picture of you when you were a baby and look a picture of you now, right? Everything under the sun takes on damage. There's no way around that. What's cool about Kong as a rescue coating, don't get me wrong, we coat a lot of brand new decks too, because we have owners that want the toughest coating system available right from the get-go, and Kong is the toughest, most versatile deck armor system on the planet right now. But what's cool about it when it's being used as a rescue coating, these rail systems were inundated with Peeling Behr DeckOver. Okay, I mean, so if you see these rails, I might be able to put a picture in here so you can see. Maybe not. I don't know if I had a picture of that or not. But Peeling Behr DeckOver everywhere on these rails, which is odd. Vertical surfaces, DeckOver usually does okay on those. They were probably coated dirty. But what the Kong system's been able to do is go in and lock down, encapsulate all of that peeling deck paint, and create a situation where we didn't have to, because nobody's going to sand spindles or chemical peel spindles to get deck paint off of them. So it would be a situation where we're talking about actually removing all the spindles as well and replacing those, right? Kong has averted that for these owners, saved them even more money. You can probably see here, might be able to see, not sure if I can get out of the way of the sun. In some areas it's easy for you to kind of see. Here's an area where we have some Peeling Behr DeckOver that's locked down, but just lockdown encapsulation of Peeling Behr DeckOver on the rails and on the floor. Okay, the floor ends up looking magnificently better as far as covering up Peeling Behr DeckOver, because it gets several more coats of the Kong Armor system, so it ends up looking a lot more. A lot of times on the rail systems, when we have an aggressive coating like Peeling Behr DeckOver, you can see it more, it shows up more in here, right? But by all means, this is locked down, encapsulated. They shouldn't have a lot of problems out of this moving forward. If they do have any problems, they have warranty. They also have lifetime service, right? Those two things. I'll talk to you for a moment about those two things. They get this here. I'll show you. We plaque all of our decks because we take pride in what we do, right? Good luck getting another deck painter to do that, to put his name on a deck and say, here, if you have any problems, call me. Here's my phone number and here's my website. Not going to happen. I take pride in every system that I produce, every single one. Willing to stand behind it for a lifetime. Willing to service it for a lifetime. Unheard of in the coating industry, period. Doesn't matter what sector it is, let alone decks. Extremely unheard of, right? There are a few companies out there that promise a lifetime limited warranty, but good luck getting them to honor it, right? It's like a 1-800 number. You sit on hold all day, right? Our company's here local. If you need help with your deck system, you have a Kong Armor system, you need help, send us a Facebook message, call us, get on the website, contact us. We'll get somebody out to your house and help you with your system. That's what's cool, is that we stay with our customers for life. So not only have we averted deck floor replacement for this customer, they also have help from here moving forward, where they never have to face down the cost of completely recoating this system again, right? That's extremely valuable. That is absurdly valuable, right? So if you want to bring value to the equation, Kong has a lot of it. It's a lot more value than, say, like a guy running around painting houses and painting interiors and painting your deck and not going to offer you a warranty, not going to offer you any of that stuff. First off, they don't have Kong. They don't have the system, the thick build, high stretch system that we use. And they don't offer you warranty or any type of service plan. They just want their money and go. And that's okay. There's a segment for that, right? We just serve a different clientele. We service people that want help. And they understand that the sun is damaging. They understand that the weather is damaging. They understand that it is tough to take care of exterior wood, right? It's a long-term battle. Tell you what, if you're interested, if you have a deck that's on the verge of replacement and you're interested in saving it, go to kongarmor.com and sign up for a free quotation today. The cedar deck in Fairfield, Ohio. It's complete deck floor replacement adverted for this customer. See ya.